This is a super popular solar animal repellent. So it's designed, as you can see, to fit onto a pole or a stake. It's got an on-off switch, so if you don't want it on, you can turn it off. It's got solar panels on top, so it never needs batteries or anything. And it's suitable for all different scenarios. Maybe you're in your garden, maybe in your front yard, or maybe while you're camping. Set this up to keep critters from coming up. You can also use it like to protect a chicken coop or something like that, or some bird houses or bird feeders. So the way this works is there's a motion sensor. This little globe is a motion sensor. And then there's these two things which are speakers. And whenever you see that light come on, that's when the motion sensor has detected something and it turns on the ultrasonic. So this is actually right now sending out ultrasonic sounds that critters and pests are going to hear, and they're not going to like it. And since it triggers when they approach, then they kind of figure out that it's happening because of them. So with that LED light there, if we give it enough time, it'll have done its broadcast or its alert, and then the light will go off and it'll be in standby mode, ready to find something on the motion detector. And you can see that it's blinking now. Now I'll wave my hand in front. That's triggered the motion detector and it's doing its thing again. Because it's solar, it'll just keep doing this like a constant sentry for you. And real popular for a reason. Hope these help.